There is a candle in every soul, some brightly burning, some dark and cold.
There is a spirit who brings a fire, ignites a candle, and makes his home.
So carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the hopeless, confused and torn.
Hold out your candle for all to see it. Take your candle, go light your world. Take your candle, go light your world. Frustrated brother, see how he's tried to light his own candle some other way.
See now your sister, she's been robbed and lied to, still holds a candle without a flame. So carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the lonely, the tired and worn. Hold out your candle for all to see it. Take your candle, go light your world. Take your candle, go light your world. 'Cause we are a family whose hearts are blazing. So let's raise our candle, light up the sky.
Praying to our Father in the name of Jesus. Make us a beacon in darkness time.
So carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the helpless, deceived and poor. Hold out your candle for all to see it. Take your candle, go light your world. Carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the hopeless, confused and torn. Hold out your candle for all to see. All to see. Take your candle, go light your world. Take your candle, go light your world.